Hi everyone, today I'm going to make malai kofta, and for that first of all here I have 1 cup of boiled mashed potato, ubले हुए आलू मैश किए हुए, and now we're going to add some spices. Here I have 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, काली मिर्च का powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, नमक. Here I have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. If you guys don't have cornstarch, you can add all-purpose flour. मैदा भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. And here I have half cup of paneer, grated paneer. So now I'm going to mix all these ingredients together. So this mixture is ready. Now we'll start making koftas. And for koftas filling, here I have some crushed pistachio and cashews. So we're going to fill this. You guys can make kofta size according to you, small, big, any kind of. Just take this. So now I'm going to take this mixture and this little bit and close like this. And this kofta is ready, and that's how we'll make all the koftas. Okay, so koftas are ready, and now next step what we have to do. Here I have 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, यानी कि मैदा. So what we have to do, just roll these koftas into the flour, just like this. Okay, so these are done. Now I'm going to fry these. Okay, so now I'm going to fry these. So I have to fry these until they're golden brown. So koftas are golden brown. Now I'm going to take these out and we will move on to the gravy now. Okay, so here I added 3 tablespoons of oil in the pan, and I'm going to add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, zira, adding 2 bay leaves, tej patta, 1 cinnamon stick, dalchini, 3 green elaichis, cardamom. Here I have 1 medium size chopped onion, so I'm adding this. I'm going to fry these onions for a minute, not more than that. Okay, so now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and fry a little bit. So now I'm going to add spices, half teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and just mix it well. One teaspoon of salt, or according to your taste. Okay, so here I have 5 medium size chopped tomatoes. I'm going to add these tomatoes. Two tablespoons of cashews, kaju. So now I'm going to cover this and let it cook for at least 10 minutes on medium flame until tomatoes are soft. Okay. So this is done almost. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. So this is done basically, and now I'm going to grind this. And before grinding, I'm going to take these out, these bay leaves and a cinnamon stick. And now I'm going to grind this. Okay, so now here I have one bowl and a strainer. So now we have to strain this gravy. Okay, so this is done. As you can see, all tomato seeds and skin is here, and all the extra stuff, whatever like not grinded well. So basically the reason of straining this mixture is this all leftover will come out, and then the gravy will be more smooth and silky. Okay, so now I'm going to add some butter in the pan. I'm adding a little bit of chili powder. And now I'm going to add this gravy. Adding a little bit water. And I'm going to cover this and let it cook for 10 minutes on slow flame. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to add a little bit of cream, heavy whipping cream or full cream. Maybe around like 2 tablespoons. And now I'm adding a little bit of fenugreek leaves, kasuri methi. And it's all done. Now I'm going to do plating. Okay guys, so this is the final look of the malai kofta. Turned out really good. So you guys should definitely try at least once. Everyone is going to love this. If you guys like this recipe, please do like, share, and don't forget to comment. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye guys, take care, Allah Hafiz.